Have you ever been frustrated with installing MOLLE attachments, whether it be on your battle belt or on your chest rig or plate carrier? Well, we have two. So Blue Alpha created our MOLLE Strap. Basically, it's what we think is the best of both worlds. It's not a hard Malice clip, but it's not a soft WTF strap. It's the Goldilocks. We have hard pieces where it's needed to push it through the webbing, but it's soft and flexible, so that way it's easily woven through your MOLLE. So, we have three colors. We have our Coyote, Black, and Ranger Green. And so basically what we're gonna do here is demonstrate to you how we suggest to install it, and we'll go from there. So how you're gonna install this is you're gonna take your MOLLE strap and you're gonna lay your belt down flat, or if you need to, you can lift it up. Either way, if your MOLLE is a little too tight to create a gap right there. And then you're going to push the MOLLE strap forward and pull the square up to the bottom of the MOLLE row. From here, you're going to take your strap and you're going to put it through whatever MOLLE piece you're going to do. And then from here, you're going to weave it back underneath the top MOLLE row and pull it tight. From going forward, all you're going to do is continue to weave the strap through whatever it is that you're using onto the belt. So from here, once you've woven it through and you pulled it tight, I'm going to show you how to finish off the MOLLE strap. So what you're going to do is take the strap and push it under the first row of MOLLE, pull it tight, and then from here, all you're going to do is take the tongue and tuck it into the little pocket that we have made. And just like that, you have your MOLLE strap woven onto your belt. So that was the install of our Blue Alpha MOLLE Strap. We're really proud of the simplistic and strong nature of this strap through our vigorous scientific and lab testing. We have found that this is a very secure and very strong way to mount items to your belt. If you're interested in trying out the Blue Alpha MOLLE straps or any of our other products, head over to bluealphabelts.com now and check it out.